Hi guys, just wanted to do a quick little review of my Shark helmet and my dealings with Shark due to a warranty issue. So I bought this helmet about 3 months ago and registered the warranty with Shark. And on my last trip, the swivel part jammed and broke right here. So the helmet can still swivel, and I can manually lock it in place over here, so I was able to use it for the rest of the trip. But it busted, and when I went to claim my warranty, Shark tried to say that it was from an impact. And you can clearly see when you look at the helmet that there's no impact marks. If that was from an impact, there would be scratches, damages, a lot more than just the broken swivel. Shark is refusing to warranty this helmet, so now I'm going to post this, and if things change with Shark, then I will update you guys. But as of now, Shark is refusing to honor their warranty. So don't buy Shark products, because if you need a warranty, you're probably not going to get your product dealt with. And the company's going to try to give you the runaround. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe.